Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1969 Chevelle Ss 396 Muncie 4-speed, guards red. The paint is in fabulous condition. American racing wheels. Again, as I mentioned, SS 396. We'll get this up on the air and look underneath it. Do a cold start. The paint is in absolutely fantastic shape. As you can see as we go over it, had a frame off restoration in the 90s. We have documentation of the maintenance and other work done dating back to the 90s. Again, it's not all comprehensive, but it is a very good documentation of the vehicle's history. As I mentioned, 396, 425 horse. It is a 396, bore 20 over, solid lifters, roller rockers, chrome headers. We'll get to the rear, but it's got Posi, sway bar. This is a California and Florida car, so it's a southern vehicle. Again, in great shape. You'll see the underside. You can see the power steering, power brakes. We'll look inside it. Interior's in very good shape. Black interior, as you can see. Excuse the dice, those are removable. Seat belts. AM FM radio, sorry for the darkness. You can see the pictures on our website much better. And the clock actually works. As you can see, the clock moving. If you're interested in this car, you can call us at 941-355-1955. And again, you can view our website for additional pictures, photos of the bottom, all around the car. On our website is Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, we'll go ahead and do a cold start. As you can see, I'm touching exhaust, so everything is cold here. And we'll get in it, fire it up so you can hear it. Grab the keys here. Here it fires right up. Again, 396, bore 20 over, 425 horse. Takes a little while for it to warm up, but it runs very well. 4-speed. Make sure we're in neutral. Gas. All the gauges, back's working. Make sure we're out of gear and go listen to the exhaust. That nice rumble sound to it. No smoke coming out. Good thing. Hear that rumble. We'll go around, listen to the engine. It sounds good. Go ahead and shut it off here. raise this in the air, let you see the bottom. We can ship this car worldwide, door to door. We also offer financing on our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, if you're interested in financing. Again, if you're interested in the car, you can give us a call, 941-355-1955. We'll get you more information, and we'll get you in the vehicle and then onto your doorstep, as we can ship door to door. It's a beautiful Chevelle 69 396. Paint is in great shape. Chrome is shiny, no kidding. The rust underneath is in good shape. Take a quick look around it. Again, you can see the paint, very shiny. No dings, scratches, dents, no rock chips. Again, you can see the sway bar, dual exhaust. Floor plan's in great shape, solid. Doesn't appear to be any repairs or damage. Frame rails are in great shape. Dual exhaust. And then we'll take you down the right side. This 396 Chevelle. Again, American racing wheels. If you're interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.